Okay, today on Dave's Cooking Show, we've got a lemony tuna melt. All right, first thing you're going to do, in the bowl, I have two of those larger cans of solid white albacore. These are the large cans you typically find at like Target and grocery stores, not the ones you find at like Costco or Sam's Club. So I think they're like 10-ounce cans. So yeah, just two of them in the bowl. And what I'm doing here is zesting one lemon. Now, after we zest the lemon, you want to juice it. Just kind of cup your hands and let the juice run through it. This will keep the seeds out of your tuna melt. If some of them happen to, fall in, then just pick the seeds out. Not a big deal. All right, next step. And then salt and pepper to taste. And then mayonnaise to taste. Now, if you want this a little, I suppose, moister, sloppier, add a little more mayo. You want it a little drier, add a little less. I think I added about 1/3 of a cup of mayo, but just keep adding mayo until you get the consistency you want. But do go slow, because again, you can add it in, but taking it out is a bitch and a half. So then just stir this around. Give it a few tastes to adjust seasoning. Added a little bit more mayo. It was a little drier than what I wanted. And basically, you don't want to go too crazy with the seasoning because you do want the lemon to kind of be the hero of this dish. All right. After that, let's get ready for assembly. Okay, let's start assembly. By the way, you should have a griddle of some sort, electric or on your stove, heating up to about medium heat. And then you want to start, get some whole wheat bread, get yourself some Colby Jack cheese, and spread out a layer as much as you want of that tuna salad mix for our tuna melts. Again, I just kind of eyeballed it. Don't worry, you'll have enough food glue to keep this this thing in there. Then you want to add some pickles. Now, if you want to, you can just chop up some pickles and put them in the tuna mix. I just decided to do this. That was just kind of something I did for this. And then some baby Swiss on top. And then you just want to add the top piece of bread. And then grab some butter. And you want to butter the... basically, you're going to butter this side because that's going to go down first. Then while it's griddling, butter the other side. And then pretty much you're just going to want to griddle this till it's nice and golden brown. All right, let's move on to the next step. Okie dokie. And after a couple minutes, good and golden brown, this is what you're looking for. And that's pretty much it. I just cut the sandwich in half and enjoyed. So that's lemony tuna melt. Done.